Welcome to our latest video. Today we are talking about top 5 best drone on Amazon under $100. Through extensive research and based on quality, we've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. All the links of the drone are in the description below the video. Subscribe our channel and click on the bell to stay up to date with latest technology reviews. So let's get started. Welcome to the world of aerial adventure. Meet the CHUBORY F89 foldable drone, your perfect companion for capturing stunning visuals and unforgettable experiences. This innovative drone features a brushless motor for super endurance, ensuring you can fly longer and explore further. And guess what? You get over 60 minutes of flight time with 3 powerful batteries. Worried about control? No problem. The CHUBORY F89 is designed with beginners in mind. Its auto hover feature allows you to maintain altitude, giving you more time to focus on capturing that perfect shot. Equipped with a 120 degrees wide-angle 2K HD camera, you'll be able to record breathtaking views like never before. Whether it's a vibrant sunset or a thrilling outdoor adventure, your memories will be crystal clear. And for those of you who love action, the Follow Me feature lets the drone autonomously track your movement. This means you can focus on your adventure while the CHUBORY F89 captures every moment. Plus, with its foldable design, the CHUBORY F89 is super portable. Take it on hikes, beach trips, or family outings without any hassle. This drone has 5 rating and 11,000 plus BSR rank on Amazon, so that we recommend this drone to you. Ready to take your adventures to new heights? The CHUBORY F89 foldable drone is waiting for you. Explore, capture, and create memories that last a lifetime. Introducing the REDRIE foldable drone, the ultimate flying experience for both kids and adults. Lightweight and portable, the REDRIE easily folds up, making it perfect for any adventure. With its impressive 1080p FPV camera, capture stunning photos and videos from the sky. Whether you're at the park, on vacation, or just having fun in your backyard, the REDRIE gives you a breathtaking perspective. Check out these fantastic features. The altitude hold lets you maintain a stable flight, while the gesture selfie function makes capturing moments effortless. Just wave, and it snaps a pic. Navigate easily with waypoint flight, just set your path. Prefer simplicity? Switch to headless mode for stress-free flying. And don't forget the circle fly mode to capture dynamic shots. Spice up your flying with 3D flips. And take off with a single press thanks to the one-key start feature. It's that easy. Choose from 3 speed settings to match your flying skills, whether you're a beginner or a pro. And with 2 batteries included, the fun doesn't have to stop. Enjoy extended flight time and more adventure. This drone has 4.4 rating and 2000 plus BSR rank on Amazon, so that we recommend this drone to you. Join the excitement and explore the skies with the REDRIE foldable drone. Ready to elevate your experience? Grab yours today. Welcome to the world of aerial adventure with the TENSSENX TSRC A4 FPV drone. This amazing drone is packed with incredible features designed for both kids and adults alike. Let's dive into what makes this drone a must-have for beginners and experienced flyers. First up, the high-definition 1080p camera. Experience breathtaking views and capture your adventures from above like never before. Whether it's a family outing or a scenic landscape, this drone ensures you don't miss a moment. Need the perfect angle? The 90 degrees adjustable lens allows you to tilt and capture the shot you want, giving you flexibility in your photography. Want to take the ultimate selfie? Just use gestures. With the gestures selfie mode, it's easy to snap memorable shots without needing a remote. Just strike a pose. Getting started has never been easier. With one key start, you can launch your drone effortlessly and focus on capturing those stunning views. Perfect for beginners, the altitude hold function allows your drone to hover in place, making it easier to take photos and videos without any hassle. Transform your flight with 360 degrees flips. Show off your skills and impress friends with acrobatic moves that are sure to thrill. With 2 batteries included, you can enjoy longer flight times. Spend more time soaring through the skies and less time waiting to recharge. The TENSSENX TSRC A4 FPV drone is perfect for fun-filled days, whether you're flying solo or sharing the experience with family and friends. This drone has 4.3 rating and 16,000 plus BSR rank on Amazon, so that we recommend this drone to you. Ready to take your adventures to new heights? Grab your TENSSENX TSRC A4 FPV drone today and start exploring the skies. Looking for an exciting gift for the young aviators in your life? Meet the Holystone HS210 Quadcopter. This mini drone is perfect for kids and beginners. With its sleek design and striking green color, the HS210 is both fun and easy to fly. Featuring auto hover technology, the HS210 makes flying a breeze. No more worrying about keeping it stable. Plus, with headless mode, kids can fly it in any direction without losing track of front or back. Ready for some aerial acrobatics? The HS210 can perform awesome 3D flips at the push of a button. It's sure to impress friends and family. Worried about battery life? Don't be. The HS210 comes with 3 batteries, giving you up to 21 minutes of flight time. More fun, less waiting. Whether indoors or outdoors, the Holystone HS210 delivers. Its sturdy design allows for safe flying anywhere. Perfect for playdates or solo adventures. Looking for the perfect gift for birthdays, holidays, or just because? The HS210 is a fantastic choice for boys and girls. This drone has 4.2 rating and 800 plus BSR rank on Amazon, so that we recommend this drone to you. So why wait? Elevate playtime with the Holy Stone HS210 Quadcopter today and watch imagination soar. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of drones with the incredible Oteeoml TM1214 FPV drone. Whether you're a beginner or just looking for an amazing flying experience, this drone has something for everyone. First up, let's talk about the design. This sleek black beauty is perfect for both adults and kids alike. Its lightweight build makes it easy to handle and fly. Equipped with a stunning 1080p camera, the Oteeoml TM1214 captures incredible FPV shots. Get ready to take breathtaking photos and videos from above, whether you're out exploring nature or enjoying a family event. Flying this drone is a breeze. With features like upgrade altitude hold and auto hovering, beginners will find it super easy to control. Just launch it and let it stay steady in the air. Want to capture a perfect selfie? Just use voice control. Or simply make a gesture and voila, you've got a stunning shot. No more fiddling with your phone while you fly. And for those daredevils, the Oteeoml1214 offers jaw-dropping 3D flips. Plus, with 2 powerful batteries included, you can keep the fun going for longer. So, whether you're flying for fun or capturing those magical moments from above, the Oteeoml TM1214 FPV drone has got you covered. Ready to take to the skies? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the link below for more details. Until next time, happy flying. This drone has 5 rating and 27,000 plus BSR rank on Amazon, so that we recommend this drone to you. Feel free to adjust any parts to better fit your style or needs. Enjoy making your video.
Guys, that is all I had for today. If you have not seen these videos, I suggest you watch them. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up.